Welcome. If you want to connect fake AirPods to your iPhone XS, at first you have to go for the settings, then go for the Bluetooth settings, activate Bluetooth, then open charging case of these fake AirPods. And when they are going to pop on the list, we have to simply tap on them to connect. As you can see, here they are. But if you have any problems and they are not here, they are not appear on the list, you have to click and hold this button on the back of the charging case until this indicator blinks on the white color. It means that they are in the pairing mode. So right now, let's try to connect. As you can see, right now they are connected. We can easily put this earpod to the ear. We can hear this characteristical sound, and we can also adjust other things, like we can change name or just go for the automatic air detection, check the microphone, or just check serial number. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!